नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। So I'm sure recently आप सब लोगों ने इंटरनेशनल योगा डे सेलिब्रेट किया होगा। Now yoga is a very ancient practice and it is getting very popular these days. But with this popularity, there are many misconceptions, there are myths falling along with it. So in today's video, I am going to be bursting some of these myths and misconceptions. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So the first misconception is yoga is just about asana. Now asana is a small part of yoga and yoga is much more than just the asana. Now if you talk about the 8 limbs of yoga, there is yama, the societal obligation or your obligation towards the society. The niyama, your obligation towards yourself. And then comes the asana part. Then we have pranayama, the breathing techniques. Then we have pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi. So these are all the 8 limbs of yoga. Asana is a small part of it. So the ultimate goal of yoga is to make a balance and harmony between your mind, body and soul. And we need everything, including asana, to maintain that harmony. The second misconception, the most common one. I have to be flexible in order to practice yoga. No, you don't have to be flexible in order to practice yoga. You need to be committed and determined. You need to show that kind of commitment. That's what is required to practice yoga. Every asana that you can be modified based on your current health and current fitness level. Flexibility is the byproduct that you get by doing regularly yoga. So no, you don't have to be flexible, but yes, you will become flexible, you will get that strength when you practice yoga regularly. Number 3 misconception. Yoga is just for women. Yes, we see a lot of women practicing yoga, but if I speak historically, yoga was practiced by males in the ancient times. But nowadays, everybody should do yoga. It is not for a specific gender. It can be done by male, female, everyone, kids, elder, younger. It can be done by everyone and everyone can reap the benefits of yoga to bring physical strength, mental clarity and emotional balance. So don't let it stop because you see a lot of females doing it. Go out and do yoga and reap the benefits of it. The next misconception is that yoga is all about stretching or yoga is just stretching. No doubt, stretching is a part of yoga, but it also includes building strength, building focus, building concentration. So if you go on doing the advanced yoga, you need a lot of strength in order to do those. And you build that strength by doing yoga. So yes, stretching is a part of it, but it is not just only stretching. It is vast varieties of asanas that helps you build that coordination, build that focus, build that strength and stability. The fifth and the final misconception, yoga is conflicting nature with the modern medicine. Now it is not conflicting with the modern medicine. In fact, nowadays doctors recommend yoga for, improving the mental health, the physical aspect along with the medicines. So it is not conflicting, it can go hand in hand. Yoga can be integrated in a holistic approach to healthcare, working alongside conventional treatments to promote the well-being. So don't let any of these misconceptions or the myths stop you from practicing yoga. Be alert, be aware. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new from this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow Arogyam Yoga and Wellness for career in related yoga queries or any new information. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.